Hey, Insta Explorers, welcome to iWhere Official. Is Instagram following your every move? Tired of everyone knowing your exact location? Your location data is valuable. Protect yourself from unwanted attention. Protect your privacy in 3 easy steps. Let's take control of your privacy. Can you turn off location on Instagram? Absolutely. You can definitely disable location services for Instagram. By adjusting your device settings, you can make sure that Instagram won't have access to your location data. This is a fantastic way to boost your privacy while using the app. How to turn off location on Instagram. For Android, open your phone's settings, then tap Location and select App Location Permissions. Find and tap on Instagram, then turn off Use Precise Location. For iPhone or iPad, the process is almost the same. Go to your device's settings. Tap on Privacy and Security. Select Location Services. Find and tap on Instagram, toggle off Precise Location or select Never to completely disable location access. How to fake location on Instagram. If you want to fake your location on Instagram, you can use a professional tool like iWhere. iPhone Location Changer is a specialized software designed to change the GPS location on your iPhone. It's useful for geo-based gaming, social media apps, and other location-based services. The app offers different modes to simulate GPS routes and custom speeds. You will need to download the iWhere iPhone Location Changer from the official website. After that, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then, open the iWhere application on your computer and choose Modify Location. You can select your desired location on the map by using the search bar or clicking directly on the map. Once you've chosen the location, click the Modify button to set the new location. Finally, open Instagram or any other app that uses GPS to see the new faked location, enhancing your privacy or having fun with fake locations. Stay safe and enjoy your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.